For video, Blue Bones here, and we're going to be checking out the Alien Assault Rifle. Let's look at the mod here. Looks pretty good. We can craft the ammo at a cooking station or a chem station. So let's check this out. So the location you will find it is by where you find the alien, and it will be leaning against the wall right here. But I don't have it. I have it in my bunker. But in case you don't know where the alien lair is, let's pop out here and set it up. The alien lair is right here by Beantown Brewery and Urban Station. It is right here. We'll be in this cave. Let's head over to my bunker and go grab the Alien Assault Rifle. I think I'm going to try raiding some zombies guns from the Call of Duty games. I think I might start with Cold War, but I will keep doing these videos. Like and subscribe if you keep coming back. But without further ado, let's check this out. I do believe in this one. There it is. Here we are. Let's go down to the weapon workbench and check this out. This is mine right now. You can do standard, low energy, high energy, efficient, low energy, or efficiency, high energy, which increases the damage to 186. You can do different. You can do short beam. You can do a short barrel, long barrel, short triple barrel, which shoots at a higher fire rate. You can do a normal triple barrel marksman barrel, which shoots a high beam. You can do a spread shot, which will equip long barrel. You can do a beam barrel and a long beam barrel. You can do marksman stock, recoil stock, standard stock, or no stock. Right now it is the tactical shotgun. You can do an alien power shell, which does the damage to 336. Fusion conversion cell, which does 306. Nuka-Cola quantum conversion, which does 352, and the fusion core conversion, which does 326. You can do a standard sight, reflex sight, combat scope, recon combat scope times 4, recon combat scope times 4, short scope, night vision scope, short scope, medium scope, and so on. You can do a bayonet, no muzzle, suppressor, or focuser, which I have to improve my accuracy. But I will do this to improve my recoil. You can color it different. You can color each part different colors. If you do metal, I have this like this. But let's grab the other one, which is now an SMG. We're going to grab that. Let's check these out. We're gonna pop over, test the fire rate, each one. This is the SMG. This is the shotgun. And we're going to change it up. That is not, yes, it is a triple barrel. We're going to do the marksman barrel on that one. And then we're going to do the beam barrel on this one. Let's see. The beam barrel has a higher recoil. But first, it looks like we're checking out the beam barrel. This is the beam barrel. And now we're going to check out so just one single shot. I'm not really a big fan of the beam barrel because just like how loud it is in the sound, I just don't like it. My favorite one has to be the spread shot. So we're gonna go grab the spread shot real quick. Shotgun, which is really cool. Let's go test out this weapon. Probably going to try the over assembly plant or that. I am going to post some shorts on this gun to see you guys' reactions. Let me down below in the comments, let me know what other mod you want me to see, and if you are interested in seeing me rate the different guns in Cold War, Black Ops 2, and Black Ops 3. Let's find it here. Let's that we can't. Go to the wreck of the USS Riptide. I will also be doing some armor because some of the armor comes with weapons, and we are going to take a look at that as well. Do that in a second. Pop over here. Yeah, doesn't look like we do. So we're gonna head over to some place. Because I really hate helping them repeatedly. But let's keep checking this out.
So that's it.
Do you have to be careful because I was pushing? Ooh, that was crazy.
No choice.
Alright, well, now he's a bloody mess. And a pile of ashes. So we gotta repair this stuff. Slightly frustrating, if I do say so myself. What are you gonna do? Alright, you got food, power, pallets. I do... Let's see, what other enemies do I know spawn? I know they spawn by the Museum of Freedom. Let's go pop over there. Check that out. I will be raiding some guns that are non-mods, like Tesla rifle, or some other legendaries that you can get. Let me down below know me which one you liked more, the SMG shotgun, marksman, or beam barrel, or triple barrel. Let's see, where else can we find some good old enemies? I think we can find some... I think Ironworks usually has some, so let's pop over there. Yeah, I'll try raiding this rifle. This one is good if you did like the Alien Assault Rifle. This is the beam. I don't like the beam. That one's more for like sniping. Oh, they just got obliterated. Really cool to see someone and explode with Let's pop up here. If we don't make it the first time, keep trying.
I'll keep it big.
I think also I might check out the Fallout 3 guns. Rate those, see what you like it. If you want to do Fallout 3 stuff. I think last. Who's shooting me? Oh, they didn't blow up. I'm disappointed. Well, let's keep killing them. I will pull out and show you the marksman barrel though. Slow down time. And real questions though. Not to fall, first of all. Can I shoot it? I can't. What happens if we throw it in the fire? I smell barbecue. I will die as well. I'd gotten what I wanted to see what would happen. Okay. But the overall rating of this mod, I would give it a... let's go with 8 out of 10. It's really fun. I like blasting around lasers and other things. Because I feel like the alien blaster pistol was just not enough. If you felt the same way, I would install this mod. It is very fun, and this guy makes a bunch of very great mods, so be sure to check him out. But with all that said, that is the Alien Assault Rifle mod. Right now, the quantum barrel it's taking is the quantum fusion, and the fire rate is 21, range of about 191, an accuracy of 84, and a weight of 11. That said, peace.